Welcome to Contemporary Art History 312. Today we're going to talk about Robert Rauschenberg. Robert Rauschenberg is considered a Neo-Dada or a Combine artist, but he's also sometimes included in some other styles as well. He was born in Texas in 1925 and he died about 2008. So the thing about these artists is they've lived into our lifetimes, and they've also they've lived so long, or now there's a lot of media where they were interviewed, and there's YouTube videos and there's film where these actual artists actually talked about their work. And so Rauschenberg will tell you a lot about when he attended Black Mountain College, which was in the late 40s, which was a very influential college for just artists. These images I have of his goat here, he calls it a monogram, is probably one of his most iconic images that he created, because what he has done here is he's made painting three-dimensional. It's no longer just a canvas, but it's a canvas with something that's built on it that's setting on the floor. So that is really considered quite radical. Plus also the Neo-Dadists, they went around and they looked for just junk and what they could do with it and what they could create with it and how they could put it together. Robert Rauschenberg is extremely influential, and when you do research on Rauschenberg, you should be able to find quite a lot of stuff, because as I said before, there's lots of interviews about him in modern times. So good luck with this assignment, and good luck with your referential Rauschenberg.